First, let's try baking soda with chocolate. What's up, guys? And tonight we gonna try 2 new drinks in addition to last night's video. So he's a little scared to try these. We got Brandon here tonight, and what do you think? What do you think about the drinks? He said he don't know. He said he thinks he's gonna have a stomach ache after trying it. So, of course, y'all know the leader winning of last night, the baking soda with chocolate. So tonight we gonna have buffalo wing soda. Ooh. I feel like I'm gonna need a drink after. I feel like I'm gonna need a drink after I drink this. And then we got dirt soda. Ooh. So first off, the buffalo wing soda. It says, let's see what's in it. Carbonated spring water, Easter gum. It's kind of the same thing that was in that one, but it doesn't really say what kind of flavors it has. It might even be shaken up a little bit. So let's go ahead and fizzy, fizzy, fizzy. Can't really tell what it tastes like. So, which one do you think I should try first? Dirt or buffalo? He wants me to try dirt first. Yeah. So, waterfall, here we go.
Make sure you speak that way as well.
I'm about to get another sip of that. It don't taste that bad. It really don't taste that bad.
Okay.
It kind of tastes like vanilla. Give it 2 good. Give it 2 good drinks. And tell us what you think about it. What do you think? I can really.
It does taste like vanilla.
I can really taste the cane sugar. So it tastes like vanilla, kind of tastes like cane sugar. Anything else you think it could taste like?
I almost feel like root beer.
Almost kind of tastes like root beer. I did
like
kind of
sugary, like the sugary flavor starts.
Now let's try buffalo wing soda. Not too bad, not too bad. You can really taste the kick. You can really taste like a little spice to it.
Lord help me praise. God damn! Shit! Sugary.
You want to get another hit of it?
Tastes sugary. Kind of tastes like an orange lollipop.
And then let's let him try the winner of last night, the chocolatey taste, but the bacon aftertaste. Y'all just don't want me to open it, do you? You can't just open it. Epic fail. It doesn't want to come open. So, we're not giving y'all that one. Unless we can get it open, god damn it. Take 3. Take 3 failed. So I'll be right back.
Okay, so obviously this is my first time doing this. I never did this stuff before. First time ever being on YouTube. Please subscribe and like to my boy. He really work hard to provide y'all with the videos and stuff.
It's not opening. But we'll try again next time. So, what do you think so far of buffalo wing soda and the dirt soda?
That tastes like root beer vanilla. This right here tastes like orange, but as soon as you start digesting it and swallowing it, it kind of, what you call it, you can kind of feel like a hot sauce move coming in.
It does have like a little spicy kick to the end of it, but it does taste like buffalo wings in a way. But it does have a very spicy, like habanero type kick to it. And the dirt soda, yeah, it does. You can really taste that cane sugar, and it really tastes like root beer in a way too. So, out of these two, I give dirt soda maybe a 5 out of 10. Buffalo, I'd probably give maybe an 8 out of 10. What do you think?
I'll give 30. I give that a 7, 7.5 or 8.
7.5 for it.
Like root beer.
7.5 for an 8.
This right here, the orange one, the buffalo wings, I'll give that a solid 5.
A 5 out of 10. So it's kind of opposite.
That was kind of tricky.
Kind of opposite of what we said, but you know, everybody got their own opinions. So let me go ahead and down this, finish it off. You know what? I just fucked up. But yeah, I can really taste the orange soda now. I can really taste orange soda. So what do you think? What do you taste?
Root beer? No.
Root beer and what?
No. Nigga, it's sweet spice.
Root beer and vanilla. This just tastes like
really sweet when you get to the bottom.
this just tastes like a real spicy orange soda. It might be all it really is. Total grams of fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 1. Total sugars, 42. Holy shit. Protein, 0. Calcium, 0. Potassium, 0. Calories, 140. 170. What's that? Right here. Calories, 170. Fat, basically the same thing this one is. Oh, but their sodium is 8%. Well, they're basically the same. So, like I said last night, make sure you check out in Rocket Fizz in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Or if you're here in Memphis, it is Sweet Noshings on Madison Avenue. Check them out. So, once again, make sure you
Subscribe.
like, share for more videos. Goodbye.